Happy Halloween, everyone. One last time. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to sneak Halloween candy without anyone knowing.
Tomorrow's gonna be a new day. It's okay. So live your life and live your way.
Okay, here are 8 ways to hide your Halloween candy from your friends and family. Make sure you hide them good and you hide them well. You do not want to forget where you're hiding them, or your candies will go bad. Now, let me explain. I'm going to demonstrate my secret hiding spots so no one will find out where I am hiding my Halloween candy. This is number 1. Fourth hiding spot. Let's move this to the side. Put these many places on here. And I normally have a bag to put my candy in, but I'm going to show you where I hide my candy. Halloween candy. M&M's and these soccer balls into this spot. A bag. And now let's get on to our second way to hide my candy. This could be your candy too, if you want to try this out for yourself. Here is the second way to hide your candy. In this cabinet, there is a red ball right over there, so if we take this out, you get all of your candy, put it in here. And then you cover it up with this, and they will never know. Interesting, huh? Now let's get on to our third way to hide your Halloween candy. And now my third way to hide my Halloween candy from anyone is right over here. No one really opens this cabinet door except for me when I hide candies. And now they know, because they'll be on YouTube forever. And now I'm back in the garage. So this is my fourth way to hide my Halloween candy. And this one's a good one. So if we examine this garage, you will see what my hiding spot is. Is it in the freezer? Hell no, 'cause it is way too obvious to look inside door. Is it in the refrigerator or the freezer again? No, because that's a terrible hiding spot. So, after examining the gloves, my hiding spot is right here. Under here. I put my Halloween candy under here, and so if I want some, no one will not even look under this toolbox. Oh, yeah. We are now back in the basement, but don't you worry. It is not red and black anymore. That's because I am not sleeping in my bed. And I will promise myself that I will not do that again. But I am down here to find my hiding spot for my Halloween candy. Now, where can I find a really good hiding spot? I'm gonna find two. This is the first hiding spot in the basement. And I'm gonna tell you something. It is not gonna be in the sauna because I am not stupid to hide my Halloween candies in here. Anyone can find it within 10 seconds, maybe 5 seconds. So easy. So, my hiding spot is actually in front of me. I open this up. Right here. No one will not know because I'm going to do something that will cover the front. I'm going to put these games in front. One will go here. One will go on top. Can't see it, huh? But you can see the side. I'm going to put one right in here. Now you can't see it at all, except for that side. So another game will go in the side, right here. And there you have it. No one will not ever expect candies in this drawer. Good hiding spot. I do this all the time down here. And now, 6th way to sneak your Halloween candy is the closet in your basement. Bring a bag down here, put your Halloween candy in a bag, put it in a box of Halloween stuff. In here. Good place to hide it. No one will not look until they bring out the Halloween box for Halloween next year. And now the 7th way to hide your candy will be in your own room, in your pillowcase. Yeah, your pillowcase is a good way to hide your Halloween candy. And you can sleep with your candy if you're feeling hungry. I put my Halloween candy down here. Hide in plain sight. In that corner. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby. And here is the last hiding spot. To sneak Halloween candy in your house without anyone knowing. So that is now the end. Is that trick-or-treaters? I heard a doorbell. I think it's time to give out candy.
Welcome to Wait WP. What is all my candy?
So I can eat all of it by myself.
And it feels so good to be back home, cause I'm gonna tour my eyes.
Danny used pee. I'm gonna terrorize him.
Again and again and again and again and again and again.
Again!
Okay. I need my candy. Where's my candy?
Okay. Close this. Okay. He is back. He is back. I'm gonna hide until he leaves this place. I will be safe. One like equals one prayer. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to face him again. He has returned. That freaky clown has returned. Subscribe!